Today, we are going to talk about some effective strategies and tips to help you retain information better when you read. As a future dental professionals, it is crucial to make sure the knowledge you gain sticks with you for a long term, right? Let's start with some powerful reading strategies. First, always preview the material before diving in. Skim through headings, subheadings, and key points to get an overview. This primes your brain for better absorption of information. Active reading is another crucial strategy. Engage with the material by asking questions, summarizing sections in your own words, and highlighting key points. This will help reinforce the information and make it easier to recall later on. Now, the most effective techniques for long term retention: spaced repetition. Create a study schedule that allows you to revisit the material at increasing intervals. For instance, review your notes after 1 day, then 3 days, 1 week, and finally at 1 month. This method leverages psychological spacing effect to enhance memory retention. Visual aids can significantly boost retention. Dr. Teeth videos are excellent resources that offer visual explanations and demonstrations. Watch these videos to reinforce what you have read and don't hesitate to pause, rewind, and take notes. The combination of visual and textual information will help cement these concepts in your mind. Putting the theory into practice is essential. Engage in clinical simulations or study groups where you can discuss and apply concepts. This not only reinforces your learning but also helps in better understanding complex topics through practical applications. In summary, to retain information more effectively, utilize previewing and active reading strategies, implement space repetition, leverage Dr. Teeth videos for visual reinforcement, and engage in practice and application. By following these tips, you will be well on your way to never forgetting crucial concepts and acing your dental studies. Happy studying.